Hello my dear friends. I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. Friends, in this video, I would like to draw your attention to something very important. This is so important that after watching my video, if you didn't know this information before, you will say, oh my God, why didn't you know it earlier? But it is never too late when you are on the path of spiritual development. It is never too late. You can start anytime because life is eternal, right? Now, you know about the word of power, Om. Om is a mantra in itself. Many people recite this mantra. It's a great mantra. And Om is also used as a prefix before many other mantras, right? In actual fact, Om is the basic vibration of nature, out of which everything has been created. It is mentioned in Bible also, word of power, right? Om is the basic vibration coming out of the atoms of creation. And in deep meditation, when you go into superconscious state, trance state, if you ever have been, you can also hear this vibration which is there, but it is subtle. You can hear only when you are in a superconscious state, and I have heard it when I was in a superconscious state. It's a great vibration, right? Now, this Om has three attributes. These are creation, preservation, and dissolution. And these are in turn related with the three gunas also. Trinity, three gunas. These gunas are, creation is related with Rajasic guna. Things are created due to Rajasic guna. And preservation, whatever is created needs to be preserved. And preservation is due to Sattvic guna. It is Sattvic guna which preserves things, right? And dissolution, when anything new is to be created out of old, then this attribute of dissolution takes place, and this is related to Tamasic guna. Now it needs to be understood that you may think that Tamasic guna is always negative. No, it is not. Tamasic guna, after watching this video, when you will know how I am relating this Om vibration with your thoughts and actions, then you will know that Tamasic guna can be in the negative sense, in a destructive sense. But when nature wants to use this power of dissolution for creating something new for the good of humanity out of old, then this is not in a negative sense. Then the right word is transformation, right? I hope you understand it. Now, when you think any thought, depending upon what type of thought it is, you are activating one of the three attributes of Om. If your thoughts are negative, destructive, of harming others, thoughts based upon greed, lust or exploitation of others, then you are activating the Tamasic guna, the dissolution attribute of nature of Om, which is in the negative sense because your thoughts are negative, right? So you are not doing good, and you are generating bad destiny not only for yourself but also for this world because of collective thought, right? If your thoughts are positive, good thoughts, then you are supporting the Sattvic guna, the attribute of preservation of Om. So you are helping the divine forces, Lord Vishnu. You are helping Lord Vishnu in preserving things because you are supporting that attribute, right? Whether you know it or not, unknowingly you are doing this. And if you still go higher, thoughts of unconditional love, thoughts of helping others at cost of your life, then it is much greater. It goes beyond that Sattvic guna, right? It generates very good karma, right? So your thoughts are so important. They are not confined to you. Thoughts have great energy, power. You are radiating thoughts, right? And you are, whether you knew it or not, you are activating one of the three attributes of Om. So you may be damaging unknowingly your destiny and destiny of others. So see how important it is to cultivate good thoughts. That is why our wise always guide us to keep good positive thoughts. Thoughts of helping others, thoughts of unselfishness, right, and so on. And also your actions, depending upon what type of action it is, you are activating one of the three attributes of Om, which could be destructive or preserving the good, which could be creating something good for the world. So your thoughts and your actions are contributing to the destiny of this world through activating one of the three attributes of Om. Isn't it so important? So my dear friends, if you didn't know it, now you know it. So pay attention to your thoughts. Cultivate good thoughts. Even for a moment, do not entertain negative thoughts. See, it is very natural when you are sitting idle, thoughts from your past, related with your past, especially your negative thoughts, they come to the surface of your mind, but do not entertain them forcibly. Get those thoughts away from your mind and replace. The best thing is replace each and every negative thought with a positive thought. It can be done with practice. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, you can do it. Yes, why not? But since you are activating one of the three attributes of the word of power Om, so it becomes much more important. You know, you must have heard the name of great Tibetan Lama Lobsang Rampa. I have made many videos. He was a great avatar. He had great powers. He knew all these things. And people used to send him questions. So one person asked him how to pronounce correctly the word Om, the mantra Om. And see what this Lama replied. Lama said, and I have learned from him also, him only, that Om acts as a carrier wave for your thoughts. If you know anything about radio, then you may be knowing that your audio is superimposed on a carrier wave of high frequency. Only then this audio is transmitted over long distances through radio waves. Similarly, Om acts as a carrier wave for your thoughts. So Lama said, take care of your thoughts before you give any attention to correctly pronouncing the word Om. So if you take care of your thoughts, then only try to learn how to pronounce Om correctly. So it is so important. Your thoughts are so important. I hope this video will help you. So now you are aware that your thoughts are affecting every moment your destiny and destiny of others. So pay attention to these thoughts. Do not entertain negative or destructive thoughts. Right? Many people, they are trying to earn money out of exploitation of others, blackmailing others, looting others. They don't know that nobody has till date succeeded in taking even a penny with him or her after death to the other side of death. So live righteously. Don't do damage not only to your own destiny but to the destiny of others. I hope this video will make you aware of something which you probably didn't know earlier, and it is so important. Teach your children about this. Spread this message. This is so important, right? Learn the laws of nature. right? I hope this video will help you, inspire you, and it will help you move forward on the path of self-realization. Thank you for watching.